work continues on site, finishing the major concrete works for floors and wall supports. As work progresses on site, the interconnecting timber glulam columns and beams are being prepared at the off-site warehouse for what will be the largest timber structure in regional Victoria. The big challenge is ensuring the timber arrives in good condition and on site in the correct order to be installed. A milestone in the construction of the Ballarat Gov Hub is the arrival of the first of the timber glulam columns on site. These are stacked in preparation for installation once the steel mounting plates are bolted into place.
The Ballarat Gov Hub project being a 5-star Green Star building, the key feature of it is the timber mesh structure, which is made up of 10,000 square metres of CLT cross-laminated timber and also 13,000 cubic metres of glulam columns and beams. At the moment we're installing CLT and glulam on level 1 and the project is coming along nicely.
Working closely with Regional Development Victoria, ACOM, John Wardle Architects, we have collaboratively worked with the tenants as well to develop this really high bespoke biophilic design. Biophilics referring to bringing nature inside. The structure itself achieves all of the design requirements from acoustics, very importantly fire of course, and all the testing that we've done to date. What you will see is the timber structure not only look great, but will also make you feel great while you're working in that environment.
As timber goes up on the southern end of the site, the last of the basement levels on the northern end are being prepped for concrete and some areas are being poured. Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.